Now, when I was in architecture school, I participated in loads of competitions. They helped me push my skills and design some beautiful spaces. Some of the best skills I have, I acquired while participating in competitions. Well, what if I told you there's a competition out there and not only let you explore and enhance your creative side, but also give you the opportunity to have your design actually built? This is exactly what the new Design and Build competition by ArcDice in collaboration with Chrysler developers is offering you. Called the Housing Puzzle, this competition is challenging you to create a community housing project on a 6-acre site in Pune. But as with all competitions, there is an underlying problem that you need to address. With increasing populations and limited land resources around the world, our current apartment models feel like valid systems. It's about stacking dwelling units on top of one another and sharing services and amenities. But with their widespread adoption, we have realized that we've just made concrete jungles that lack any sense of connection with the environment, with the culture, and even with people. Today's apartment complexes look monotonous, isolated, placeless. So basically, this competition is challenging you to change that. Can your design bring back the sense of place, bring back nature into our designs, and most importantly, bring back a sense of community? But while you're thinking about innovative ideas to tackle these problems, you also need to keep in mind that your designs will actually be built. And that means you have to take into account building codes and bylaws, ease of construction, and even maintenance costs. You have to think of a solution that is both innovative and pragmatic. So now let's take a quick look at the design problem. Set in Pune, India, the competition aspires to design a community housing project of 2 and 3 bedroom apartments on a stretch of 6.09 acres of land located in a suburban area of the city. What is important in this competition is to recognize the different scales of spaces that dwellers engage with, from clusters of apartment units to the building to the housing complex as a whole. You need to think about social relationships and how these scales enable or disable them. The brief gives you a maximum total built-up area to be 86,348.5 square meters, where 65% of the total units are to be 2-bedroom apartments and 35% are 3-bedroom apartments. With these considerations in mind, you also have to think about context, culture, and creating a comfortable environment for both within the units and outside it. So now let's talk about who can take part in this competition. ArcDice and Chrysler developers invite everyone to send in their entries, irrespective of their professions or qualifications. You can even submit multiple entries. You also have the freedom to participate individually or in teams of 3, as long as everybody is over 18. The winner of this competition will get a chance to get their design materialized, and all the entries have a shot to win total prizes worth Rs 5 lakh. The early registration for the competition ends on 25th August, with standard registration till 25th September and late registration till 5th October. The submission deadline for the competition is 12th October. So if your interest has peaked, log on to www.arcdice.com and check out the brief for the competition. I can't wait to see the amazing designs you guys come up with. And with that, we've come to the end. I will see you guys soon with more of our regular content. Bye bye.